Huh?
There.
Sorry, I hate to bring you down on what I'm sure was a
When
real
she
good
slows
stealing
down.
high,
I know.
but probably
He just goes to sleep.
get going.
Well, now, look, I hate to bring you down from what must be a real.
Hello, Laura.
Found my car high, but you're not getting that ranchero back.
What are you talking about, Clyde? It's me. Guys like us have a rule.
But you ain't guys like us no more. You see, nowadays, you fall more on the /victim column of the ledger.
Look, I don't know what a ledger is, but I've paid my dues. And I'll be damned if you two losers are going to keep my car.
I don't think W likes your tone, Earl. We're reasonable people. You can have the car back for $1,500.
Hell no, I'm not buying it. We're taking this problem to Mr. Wallace. Mr. Wallace is the
I'm gonna die. I'm going to die.